Okay, so we are halfway up on Chimney Mountain Trail. We haven't found the caves yet. Supposedly it should be at the end of the 1 mile hike. And what did you say the incline was?
We've done about 1,600 steps.
And
It says that we've gone up 39 flights.
39 flights.
That's a lot in a short period of time.
Yeah. So I would guess this is like 45% incline. Great incline. And it's getting tiring. Look how much further we have to keep going up. I'm not seeing caves yet. We saw a chipmunk, camera shy, and some birds, right?